That's right, fall is here, and while we all love these pumpkin lattes and cozy sweaters, there's another part of home ownership that's not quite as fun, cleaning your gutters. But don't worry, I've got you covered with some tips to help you clean them safely and effectively this season. The leaves are changing and they're dropping everywhere, which means it's probably time to tackle those gutters. You should clean them at least once, if not twice a year, especially during the fall when the leaves are really coming down. Here are my top 9 tips to make the process easier and safer. Let me know in the comments if I missed any tip that you swear by. 1. Let someone know you're cleaning the gutters. Ladders can be dangerous, especially if you're climbing onto the roof. Make sure someone knows that you'll be up there cleaning those gutters that day, so they can check on you or be there if anything goes wrong. 2. Dress for the job. Gutter cleaning can be messy, so make sure that you're dressed for the occasion. Wear gloves to protect your hands and eye protection to shield from debris. Long sleeves and sturdy boots can also keep you safe and comfortable while working. You never know what you'll find up there. Leaves, dirt, even small critters, so be prepared. 3. Use a sturdy ladder on a level surface. Safety first. Make sure you're using a stable ladder on a level ground. If the ground is uneven, consider using a ladder leveler to keep everything steady. The last thing you want is a wobbly ladder while you're 10 feet off the ground. 4. Be aware of power lines. If your gutters are close to power lines, you'll want to take extra care. In those cases, I recommend using a fiberglass ladder rather than a metal one to avoid any accidental contact with lines. Safety is key. 5. Clean debris off the roof. First, before you dive into the gutters, make sure that you clean off any debris that's sitting on your roof. If you don't, the next big rainstorm will just wash all that mess right back into your freshly cleaned gutters. 6. Wear rubber-soled shoes for traction. If you need to get on the roof, make sure you're wearing rubber-soled shoes to give you the best traction. Slipping is no joke, and rubber soles can help you grip the surface and stay safe. 7. Use a plastic tool for scraping while you're cleaning the muck from your gutters. Avoid using metal tools. They can damage the gutters, leading to bigger issues down the line. Instead, grab a plastic tool or even an old rubber spatula. Yes, really, it's a great way to clear out debris without causing any harm to the gutter themselves. 8. Spread out a drop cloth or use a bucket. Don't just let the debris fall where it may. Spread out a drop cloth below your ladder to collect the leaves and dirt as you work. Alternatively, you can keep a 5-gallon bucket handy and fill it as you go. It's an easy way to keep things clean and minimize the cleanup afterward. 9. Rinse the gutters with a hose. Once the gutters are all free of debris, give them a good rinse with your garden hose. This ensures that any leftover dirt gets washed away and that your downspouts are clear. Plus, it'll help you spot any areas that might still be clogged or need a little more attention. And there you have it. Just follow these tips and you'll have your gutters cleaned and ready for fall in no time. It might not be the most glamorous part of home ownership, but keeping those gutters clean is crucial for preventing wood damage and other issues. But hey, after all of this, you're probably thinking, no thanks, I'd rather leave it to the pros. I've got you covered there too. Just reach out to me and I'll connect you with a trusted local contractor who can take care of it for you. I personally recommend them and I know they'll do a fantastic job.